Hello guys, welcome in Become a Best Programmer. In this video, I'm creating all Java projects in Netbeans IDE. So, to create here Java file, Java classes projects, first you need Netbeans IDE. I'm using Netbeans IDE 8.2. To download this Netbeans IDE, and click on Chrome and write on Google. Okay. And, click here. Netbeans IDE 8.2. Okay guys, and Netbeans IDE, Java SC, Java Apex, Java E, C++, HTML, Java. And download for all. So click here, download. Okay guys, and this downloading. I'm cancel. So I have already downloaded, and I'm going where it is called downloads. Netbeans IDE. You can also download for particular like C++, Java EE. Okay. I'm using glassfish, which is already installed in my system. But now I'm click on Apache Tomcat. Next, here accept all terms and condition. Next, and it is a place where it will install. And then next, totally install the site. Click here. It will install in your system. I'm going to back because I have already installed. Okay guys, you can download the Netbeans ID. Thanks for watching.